how to sync Jira with Notion. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Jira with Notion. Stick around till the end so you don't miss any important steps. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to the Notion homepage. If you haven't logged in yet, you'll see the login option at the top right. Click that. Now, Notion gives you several sign-in options, but for convenience, go ahead and hit continue with Google. Once you're inside Notion, navigate to the page where you want to sync Jira. This could be your project dashboard, a task tracking database, or just any workspace where your team collaborates. Click on an empty space and now type /Jira into the block. This brings up the Jira integration feature. Select Jira Sync from the drop-down. Now you'll be prompted to enter your Jira site URL and sign in with your Jira credentials. This is necessary for Notion to pull in your tasks, issues, or epics from Jira. Make sure to enter this information carefully. Once you're connected, click Next to proceed. You'll now see your Jira site listed. Select it. This will allow Notion to know exactly which workspace and data you want to bring in. Next up, you'll have the option to create a new sync. This is where you get to decide what exactly gets pulled into Notion, like specific projects, task types, or issues. You can get as specific or broad as you want here, depending on your workflow. Once you're satisfied with your sync preferences, click Done. And that's it. You've successfully synced Jira with your Notion workspace. From now on, your Notion page will reflect your selected Jira data in real time, keeping you updated without needing to switch tabs constantly. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video, leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides. Thanks for watching.